Hello friends, I hope everyone is doing well and also enjoying the market volatility. The best part of this volatility is जो stocks है that are also more volatile and they are also going down. So there are many mid cap, small cap, and some of the large caps that are currently down by around 30 to 50% from their all-time high level. So this would be a good opportunity to buy those stocks, particularly for those who had missed the big rally that we have seen from March 2020. So this is a good opportunity to buy those stocks as well and also add more stocks that you are already having a portfolio क्योंकि fundamentally भी अच्छे हैं, they are having good fundamental basis and management भी उनके अच्छे हैं. So you can focus on those stocks as well to accumulate. And जैसे कि legendary investors and जिसने कहा है कि just buy when there is blood around or buy the fear and sell the greed. So just follow this and buy slowly. At one point of the time, you should have also build a good portfolio that can help you in your wealth creation as well. So you can focus there as well, and instead of panicking and selling a portfolio at XYZ price at lower price, so just focus there. Also, last week I didn't upload the market analysis video because I already had some busy schedule. And but अगर हम if you have checked the community channel जिस पर मैंने already update किया था कि I have shared the market analysis instead of market analysis video मैंने एक Twitter पे post डाला था about what is the analysis of the market which I'm looking for the next week. So जो निफ्टी का डिमांड जोन था that we have seen already जो 16500 to 16800 के आसपास था. And जो मंडे को है market had reversed from that particular zone only and उसके बाद निफ्टी had already rallied by around 500 points. So market analysis जो वीडियो है या फिर जो एनालिसिस का जो एनालिसिस हम जो करते हैं it helps me a lot as a trader because I am already prepared with the views and जो भी मेरा जो लेवल मेरे को बाय करना है स्टॉक में या फिर मेरे को जो सेल करना रहेगा so I am already prepared with the analysis जो भी है and I just have to punch the orders on in the trading day itself. I don't have to take any decision on during the market hours. So this is a benefit and that I'm getting with the analysis videos or that I'm doing, and I also hope that everyone is getting benefited from the same. So let's start with the main purpose of this video, which was about the sector rotation sheet. So as I had promised when I started this channel that I will be sharing this sector rotation sheet with everyone once we achieved around 1000 followers on our YouTube channel. So so this already happened around 2 to 3 weeks back, and इसके बाद just because of the busy schedule I couldn't upload or just share the sheet, but I am currently sharing this sheet as well. So let's start. Let's open the sheet right now. So this is how the sheet will look to you as well, and I have enabled only the view only mode because if I make it to edit only, then users or my friends will come here and change all the settings and everything. So it will be only view only mode, and इसका जो URL है I will be sharing it in the description section of this video, and also I will be sharing it on my Twitter profile and जो Telegram channel है उसमें भी मैं share करूँगा so that you can also access the sheet from those two platforms as well. So this is the sheet and इसका URL I will be sharing it जैसे कि मैंने mention किया था. And other than this you can't download the sheet or you can सब इसमें disable करके रखा है and you can just only share the sheet with others but इसको आप download नहीं कर पाओगे and you can't change anything, any numbers, any name, anything because everything is linked here, and if you change one thing then all the data will be changed. That's why I kept it only in view only mode. So the purpose of creating this sheet was just to as you all know I am a contrarian trader and I always focus on the setup or the stocks that are trading near demand zone or या फिर support level के आसपास या फिर they are showing some reversal. The reason for this is because मेरा जो वहाँ पे risk रहता है वो बहुत कम रहता है, जो reward का potential it is very high, and even if my accuracy or if even my probability of winning is 50%, then also I can make big money or I can get a decent profit in one year itself. So just keeping the probability same and reducing the risk and expecting higher reward this is kind of profile I look for in market. and in all my setups. So this sheet is also on the basis of the same logic, and all the experience and everything, all the logics and everything I've added in this sheet. And अभी जो इसका final version है, इसका एक backend पे भी there is a worksheet which is hidden currently and which can't be seen. So let's start. मतलब अभी just explore this sheet and how it works and everything. So जैसे in our market, जो हमारे मार्केट में there are major sectors that are listed as of now, जो कि निफ्टी ऑटो है, बैंक, commodities, consumption, energy, wind service, FMCG, IT, infra, media, metal, pharma, and all these sectors. So ये सारे sectors are listed, and इसके जो current price है, इसके जो price है, they are already available on our exchange. So I have just made the list of all these sectors, and इसके बाद यहाँ पे जो positions है, so ये सारे position इन सारे sectors का status बताएगा कि अगर इफ इट इज नॉट कि अगर आप लोग आज इसको शीट को देख रहे हो तो आपको ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि निफ्टी ऑटो आज शॉर्ट है तो आपको शॉर्ट करना चाहिए इसको अभी कभी। ये शीट वो नहीं बताता, दिस शीट जस्ट गिव अ ट्रेंड, जो कि बड़े पिक्चर पे जो हम ट्रेंड देखते हैं उसके बारे में। अभी जैसे कि लेट्स से निफ्टी ऑटो यहाँ पे आज शॉर्ट है बट कल इट बिकम्स अ बाय या फिर स्विंग बाय या शॉर्ट बाय। सो यू शुड चेक द चार्ट फर्स्ट, कुछ रिवर्सल के साइन से और इट इज गिविंग एनी ब्रेकआउट या फिर कुछ सपोर्ट पे है, एंड देन यू शुड गो अहेड एंड बाय। मतलब प्रीवियस ट्रेंड अगर ऑलरेडी शॉर्ट है उसके बाद अगर वो बाय आ रहा है तो देन यू शुड फोकस ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर सेक्टर, जो कि निफ्टी मेटल के बारे में मैंने कल अपडेट भी किया था। एंड अदर देन दिस आई हैव अपलोडेड मेनी पोजीशंस लाइक दिस ऑन माय ट्विटर प्रोफाइल, सो यू कैन चेक दैट आउट एज वेल। सो अभी अगर हम देखें तो ऑल द सेक्टर्स आर नेगेटिव एंड अभी के लिए कोई सेक्टर्स पॉजिटिव नहीं है। सो इफ यू सी, लेट्स से इफ आई गो टू निफ्टी बैंक and if I click this link, so it will show all the constituents that are there in Nifty banks. So इसके अंदर भी if you see तो निफ्टी जो बैंक बंधन बैंक it is a positional buy right now, and all the other stocks are in avoid state. So this is about the status of the stocks and या फिर जो index है या जो sector है, and यहाँ पे जो पूरी list है। Other than this अगर हम और भी देखें, so let's say निफ्टी मेटल हम देखते हैं। So निफ्टी मेटल में just a minute. So ये निफ्टी मेटल में there are these stocks that are listed in निफ्टी मेटल under निफ्टी मेटल इंडेक्स, जो कि एक्सचेंज के वेबसाइट पर भी मिल जाएगा या फिर आपको कोई और प्लेटफॉर्म जो थर्ड पार्टी आप प्रेफर करते हो उधर भी मिल जाएगा। So these are the stocks that are listed under metal sector, and इसके अंदर भी there are respective position that are there. So यहाँ पे जैसे कि APL Apollo Tubes, it is a swing buy, MOIL is a swing buy, and Welspun Corp is also a swing buy. Other than this all are avoid, या फिर instead of avoid there will be no trade in that case. So what you should do is अगर कोई भी sector या फिर कोई भी stock, let's say today it is avoid and after 5 days let's say Hindustan Zinc has become a positional buy, short term buy, swing buy, this kind of thing, then उस केस में you can check the setup या फिर you can go ahead and buy Hindustan Zinc, and the stop loss जो हमारा रहेगा it will be the recent swing low जो चार्ट के ऊपर रहेगा, तो that will be the stop loss, and जो हमारा टारगेट रहेगा it will be we will be targeting around 1:3 or 1:2 risk reward in that case, and position के केस में we will be targeting around 1:5 या 1:4 risk reward. So this is the kind of setup and kind of thing. Just now if I show more things, so यहाँ पे हमने stock watch list भी डाला था यहाँ पे। So in this there are majorly all the stocks जो Nifty 200 के अंदर है, not all the stocks but majorly सारे stocks cover हो गए इसके अंदर। So these are the things, and जो इसमें convention है, I will just add the details of all this convention in this sheet. So basically हर एक का मतलब भी है। So let's say no trade. So no trade में you should not do any analysis or don't have any position in this stock because the stock is not giving any opportunity right now. In swing buy, it is a buying for particularly the around 1 to 2 months kind of position, and this is the meaning of swing buy. The positional buy, it is a buying of around 3 to 6 months, and जो positional short है या फिर जो short position है, it is basically the bearish, and जो strong short भी रहेगा इसके अंदर। So strong short is also kind of you should not have any position in that particular stock. So this sheet is only for short-term trading purpose, which means less than 1 year, and this sheet can only help you to filter out major stocks, because यहाँ पे you can see you can only focus on the green one जो कि swing buy है, positional buy है. So you can focus on green one and you can check the simultaneous chart setup. उस पे अगर आपको आपके setup पे कुछ bullish sign दिख रही है, then you can go ahead and buy, because it will give you more conviction to hold to buy that particular stock. So you can there is also a need of secondary research, so analysis that you should do on the basis of your own setup. So this is about the sector rotation sheet, and I would suggest not to follow this for short sell kind of trade, which is like overnight short sell position, and not for intraday, because ये intraday के लिए बना नहीं है. This sheet I have not used for kind of short sell trade. So only thing I'm using this is only for buying setup, that too for overnight buying, which means swing to positional buy kind of thing. So for this reason I have using this sheet, and if you want to use it for short selling kind of thing, so you can take it as your own discretion, and but keep all the stop losses ready in your system. Don't ask for stop loss or any kind of thing, because you should have a proper trading plan as well before you execute a trade, and keep your stop loss in your system only, don't keep it in your mind in that case. So this is about the setup, and if you want we can do some analysis as well. So just we can filter some stock right now. So let's take an example now. So basically अभी Wellspun Corp is for swing buy, and यहाँ पे मैंने चार्ट भी इसका ओपन करके रखा है. ऑलरेडी आई हैव शेयर्ड जो मैंने लाइंस वगैरह है जो ऑलरेडी प्लॉट करके रखी है. So यहाँ पे अगर हम देखें तो यहाँ पे there is a good breakout about this resistance line. So this is a good breakout about the resistance line. अभी जो है retest भी कर रहा है, so it is giving a good opportunity to short-term traders. So this is the primary जो filtering process है. You can do it from this sheet. You can use sector rotation sheet for finding out two sectors that are looking positive. एंड उसके बाद इफ यू वांट यू कैन डिग इनटू ऑल दिस सेक्टर्स, जहाँ पे आपको हर एक स्टॉक्स के बारे में मालूम पड़ेगा कि विच इज अ गुड स्टॉक टू बाय. सो रिसेंटली जैसे कि अपोलो हॉस्पिटल आई हैड ऑलरेडी गिवन अप बाय अराउंड लास्ट वीक 1 to 2 वीक बैक. सो उसके बाद इट इज नाउ अप बाय अराउंड 6%. ऑल्दो मार्केट जो है करेक्ट कर रही है, या फिर डिप मार्केट इज करेक्टिंग. There are other stocks as well, and you can check it out. And other than this, the second purpose that you can use this sheet is for making a list of all the strong stocks that are already there in this list. So यहाँ पे you can find all the major Nifty 200 stocks in this list, and यहाँ पे उसके equivalent positions क्या रहेंगे, you will find it out. And I would suggest not to take position in intermediate basis. अभी के अभी position मत लो इसमें. Just wait for setup to change from red color to green color, or from yellow color to green color, and then you can go ahead and buy the stocks. So this is about the sector rotation sheet, and I will be sharing the link of this sheet in the description section. And also in this panic mode, in this while market is correcting, I am also accumulating some of the stocks which are looking good. And if you want a detailed video why I'm buying those stocks, what are my perspectives, so all those stocks are for long-term purpose, and there are some rationale behind this. So if you want a list of all those stocks, then you can just mention investment in this in the comment section of this video. And also I'm planning to add more features to this sector rotation sheet, which can help you in finding out like from big list of stocks, you can just filter out very small number of stocks which are very positive or very bullish. So I will be adding the more features in this as well. So you can if you are very much interested about this sheet, and you can just hit the like button. And if I get 100 likes in this video, then I will upload I will share the new feature as well in this sheet as soon as possible. So do like this video, and also you can comment in this video if you have any queries, or if you want to know anything about this sheet. So this is all about today's video, and also these are the 3 platforms that are already available. So you can reach out to us on Twitter or on the email as well if you have any doubts. Also, you can join Telegram channel as well, where I'm regularly updating about the market analysis and also the view about the market. So you can join us on Telegram and Twitter as well. There's a disclaimer also with this video. थैंक यू गाइस।